Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, we're at a friend's place today and we're just doing some work on their Volvo backhoe. We've got all the bucket off. These pins in here were quite badly worn. This is the pin out of it, and it's got quite a step in there, and it was just making everything very loose. Now these bushings in here are just a little bit worn. The pin has most of the wear in it. Now these pins are $600 each, and there's 2 of them, so it gets to be a fairly costly repair. What we have decided to do instead is these pins here are 50mm tractor drawbar pins, basically a bigger version of that. So we've taken the handle off, we've cut this little tang off here. These original pins have a grease nipple down in here, with a hole drilled down here and drilled out here to grease this bush in here. So these are a hardened pin. These pins are about $60 each, so we need 2 of them. These are a hardened pin, but they're only hardened on the outside. The inside is just mild steel. So we've ground this off to give us a smooth surface. We've cut the handle off. There's where the pin goes through. We've drilled the outside of it. We drilled it and tapped it for a grease nipple, and we've drilled it down to here. It's not... Whoops! We couldn't get it quite as far down as the original hole, but it's only out by about 5mm, so that won't be an issue. And then we've just cut out some end plates, the same as what you see here. Most of this was done with an angle grinder and drill. We oxy cut the centre here, and we're just going to weld them onto the end of the pins like that. This has taken half a day's mucking around, 3/4 of a day's mucking around to make these, but we've saved ourselves $1,100 doing this. So I've just got to finish. We're going to put the pin in, bolt so the pin sits in here. We're going to bolt this in place so that we get it in the right spot, and then we're going to weld it together. That just makes sure that this hole is in the right spot for it. So that's the next part of the process, is to weld this together. So here we have our brand new pin all finished, ready to assemble. We're just going to make up some shims to take up some of the play in here and stop all the grease squeezing straight back out, and then this machine will be ready to go again. One more job completed. These pins fitted in really nicely. We made some shims to go in here as well, just to take a bit of the side movement out. That's taken a lot of the wear out of this for a fraction of the cost of what the genuine parts would have been. Yes, it's taken us an extra, well, half, 3/4 of a day to make the pins up and fit them and everything. This side particularly needed a custom pin made anyway, because this bush seemed to have shrunken a bit. Not quite sure why that happened, but they did have a hard time getting the old pin out too. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Thanks very much for watching. and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!